Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making this. I don't really know what to call it, but yeah, keep watching to learn how to make it. So, what you're going to need is scissors, stapler, and strips of paper. I have these two longer ones and then a shorter one. It's not quite, if I line it, I'll just look at one over. Not quite twice the length, but yeah. You can make it bigger or smaller, whatever you want. What you need to do is take your small one, your big one, and put your small one between your big ones and put them all the way together and line up the one end as best as you can. It doesn't have perfect, it doesn't really matter much. Like that, so your little one's in the middle there. And then you're going to just staple it. Like that. And then you go like this. Focus. Focus. And you take this end. Like that. And it goes like this, if you can see it through my hand. And then you take the other end and line it up too. But this end, I'm going to staple a little higher up, like closer to the middle. Not much, but a little bit. And staple it. And I like to take this end and just fold it out like this, because I just think it looks cute like that. I don't know. And then once you've made 4, or however many you think you should make, because depending on the width, focus, 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 thank you. Depending on how wide your thing is, if it's smaller, like we use shorter pieces for this part, and this is like a whole lot smaller width, like skinnier this direction, you could do more, but not something I'm doing. So take one of your ends, where you didn't do the little folded thing, and you want to do that out to it. It's only one side for the moment. And then take one of your other ones and do it too. And then take these two ends and line them up like this. And then staple those out a little bit together. It's really difficult because it's little pieces, but you can do it. It's hard. It just takes time. You gotta just do it. Right there, through it. And I'm going to take one of these, pick whichever you want. I'm going to go with this side. And you want to pull this little part apart like this. And take another one. We're going to fold this so it stays. And take this end that you didn't do that little stuff to. And fold one end over. And you want to meet these two parts up like that. And then staple it. Do your best when you're squishing the paper a little bit like this. Don't actually fold it. Like, squishing a little bit is one thing. Folding is another. So now you got these 3 attached. So now you gotta just take one of the ends on one of these. So I'm gonna go on this side and fold it over. And take your last one. So I had them just sitting over there. And fold one side in like that. And then meet these 2 bits up. The more you add, the harder it starts to become, but it's possible to do this. It's just hard, because you gotta have all this there. Just like that. Then you open up the last 2 that aren't connected, and you want to fold it, because you only want to take one layer of the paper for each of these, because this is what I think looks how I like to work it. And you want to fold that like that. And fold this one like this, and then you want to just leave up the outer piece of paper like this. This gets a whole bunch of kind of stuff just crumpled in there, which kind of fills that hole in fairly nice. And you want to take these pieces and you want to staple them together. You want to just kind of get the stapler in there and just staple it as best you can. The staple's not centered or anything, it's a little crooked, it doesn't really matter if you don't really see it. So now you have this. You can hang it up, do whatever you want with it. I probably hang it like back here somewhere, something. If you can put somewhere where it can spin, I think that's where it would look the coolest, because like Okay, so you can see all the different stuff. So yeah, if you want, you could go through and like staple each of these ones, because if you think like, oh, it's gonna do that, you could staple them together like right here. Like I'll do that real quick. My stapler is being weird sometimes. And use to staple them right here through each of the things. Just like that. So now if you hang it from like one of these loops or something, it's not gonna like do anything. But yeah, there you go. If you like simple paper and staple crafts or something like this, I'm gonna change the battery and finish the outro in a second. Sorry about that. But yeah, if you like paper craft like this, give this a thumbs up and comment down below any ideas you have. And subscribe. Bye!